Have you ever felt like you disappeared in a relationship? At first, it's subtle. You keep the peace. You stop bringing things up. You tell yourself it's not worth the fight. But over time, your voice fades, and so does your sense of self. That happened to me over 22 years. I didn't even realize how far I had gone until I couldn't recognize myself anymore. But I didn't stay there. One honest moment at a time, I began to reclaim myself. And so can you. You can come back to yourself. And it starts with just one honest moment. I am Belinda Basson, and this is your Redefined Moment.